Hello there, Mary. We are here today to help the class to learn about a concept in economics called demand.
Demand.
Yes, demand.
Correct, John. The theory of demand is a very important one in the subjects of economics. You should begin by explaining the basics.
Thanks, Mary, and I want to begin by telling everyone that demand tells us about the relationship connecting how much we demand or buy of a good based on the price of that good. In other words, demand tells us how much of a product we buy based on the price of that product. You look confused, Mary. Let us use an example to explain. Students, please get ready to write the answers to the statements I make in your copybooks. Students, get ready.
That includes all of you at the back. Open your books and get a pen in your hand.
Okay, now let us imagine that your favorite band has made all of its songs available for download on iTunes Store. This means that you can pay for an MP3 song from your favorite band, and that there are many songs available to download.
I love music, John, and just the thought of my favorite song gets me moving. I love to dance. Why don't you dance with me, John?
Sorry, Mary, but I cannot dance. However, I like listening to music.
Let us continue.
Yes, well, we need to continue now, Mary, with the theory of demand. Save the dancing for the weekend.
Yes, sorry, John, I got lost for a minute. Let us continue. So to summarize, the price of each song is 50 cents. To buy one song is 50 cents. So 2 songs would be $1 and 3 songs $1.50. Remember to write down the price in one column and the quantity you would buy in another column.
And we are assuming that internet piracy does not exist, so if you want a song you have to buy it. Now for the price of 50 cents for a song by your favorite band, how many songs would you buy? Write down the amount of songs you would purchase in the quantity column.
Now imagine that the price of each MP3 download is reduced to just 10 cents for each song. So each song is now quite a bit cheaper than before.
How many songs would you buy for the reduced price of 10 cents each? In your book, write 10 cents in the price column and write how many songs by your favorite artist you would now buy from iTunes.
Finally, let us now imagine that iTunes raised the price of each song to $2 per song. This means that each song is now considerably more expensive. You need to write down how many songs you would buy for $2 each.
Now we are going to leave you to discuss your answer with the person next to you.
Remember that you should have 3 prices for MP3 files that are 10 cents, 50 cents and $2.
And next to each of these prices you should have written how many songs by the band you would buy at each price.
We now wish you goodbye and good luck.
Yes, goodbye to you all.
I don't think anybody is still here, John, so you can tell me if it is true that you cannot dance or not.
If no one is watching, I can tell you that I do have one good move, so take a look, Mary. Really, it is quite embarrassing, so just don't tell anyone I can dance, please.
Your secret is definitely safe with me. Goodbye, John.